we are looking at the 4 career stages of our PPST, you remember BEP, PhD, beginning, proficient, highly proficient, and distinguished teachers. Okay, so again, when you are a beginning teacher, no, a novice teacher, a new teacher, you have merely gained qualification. Okay, so kailangan mo pa ng tulong, no? Kailangan mo pa ng mentoring from the more experienced teachers. Now, when you are a proficient teachers, you can already work on your own, di ba? So you are professionally independent, and now you can display skills in doing teaching, no, pedagogy, in the content, no, meron ka ng proficiency. And then eventually, if you are already able to consistently display a high level of performance and you are now able to mentor and to teach the beginning teachers, you are considered a highly proficient teacher. And if you already embody the highest standard, di ba, ng tagumpay ka na. You're already awarded teacher and awarded educator. Now that means you are already at your distinguished teacher level. Okay?